This pool deck settled due to erosion and loss of support beneath the concrete, resulting in uneven surfaces and trip hazards. Left unaddressed, this settlement would likely continue to worsen over time. Our certified technicians will drill small injection holes and inject high-density polyurethane foam beneath the slabs. The foam will expand to fill voids, reestablish support, and lift the concrete back into place. The process is quick, clean, and highly effective, with minimal disruption and long-lasting results you can rely on. With the slabs lifted and stabilized, this pool deck is now safe, level, and ready to enjoy. Acme is Chicagoland's concrete raising and stabilization specialist. As a certified foamjection contractor, we have the experience and equipment to handle any project, large or small.